Guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to set your default audio device on a Windows 11 PC. Before we jump in guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. So once you're inside the Windows, the fastest way how to do this guys is by simple clicking on the speaker icon on the lower right hand side. Click on that. Now from here you will see the volume controls here where the speaker is. Now towards the right you have an arrow, so you can simply click on this arrow. Once you hover over it, it will say select a sound output. You can click on that, and then here you'll have sound outputs. But what you want to do, click on the bottom that says more volume settings. Click on that. Now this will take you right into your system sound controller. Now from here you have output and you have input. The output is your speaker and the input is microphone. So if you like to set volume controls for your speaker, you can simply choose whichever one that you have. As you can see, I have one set at the moment, but you can click on each, and once you click on that, you will have the option that says set as default sound device, and you can click the little drop down towards your right to choose which of the two options that you want to have here. But for whichever output device you want to choose, all you have to do is just simply go ahead and select it. And as you can see as well, you can add a new device as well. So you can simply click pair a new device, you can click and add that as well. Right, here's your volume control that you can also manage afterwards. Now for the microphone as well, as you can see, if you have a microphone connected, you'll be able to set that as default as well. And as you can see, I'm using the Shure MV7 Plus, so you can also, and I can set that as my default as well, right? Now there's another way how to go about doing this as well, right? If you simply go and click the Windows key on your keyboard and you simply type in sounds, you will be able to see the option that says change system sound. So if you click on that, it will take you into this default Windows controller here where you can easily find playbacks, sound, recording, etc. Right, so if you click on recording, you'll be able to see the microphones and you can easily go ahead and set as default, and you can see which is set as default as well. So as you can see, I have the Shure MV7 Plus set as the default, and I can also choose whichever I want. For playback, this is basically the speaker, right? So you can simply go ahead and choose whichever speaker you want. As you can see, they have Realtek there, they have the laptop system there as well, and you can always right click on any one of them and you can set it as a default device, and you can go into additional features, properties as you so desire. But guys, that's all. You basically go ahead and set a default audio device, whether it's for your speaker, whether it's for your output device or your input device, microphone or speaker. This is how you basically go ahead and set that as your default device within Windows 11. Here you have it guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.